Welcome back to Cooking with the Community. I'm your host, Danielle Hagler, Nelson County Cooperative Extension Agent for 4-H Youth Development. Today, we're going to be joining Pastor Tim Acree and his wife, Keisha, as they teach us a recipe for easy tuna mac. Also, stay tuned for those health tips, ag facts, and information about community agencies that help families in need.
Where does milk come from? The cow. The cow. That's me, the cow. I give you milk. So drink your milk because it helps your bones grow strong. It also makes your teeth be strong and healthy. You want to keep your teeth, so drink lots of milk. If you can't drink milk, then eat some cheese. It's full of calcium. Milk, it does a body good.
Hello, this is Tim Acree, pastor of Bardstown Apostolic Sanctuary, and this is my wife Keisha.
Hello.
And we're glad to be cooking with the community tonight, and we're going to be making cheesy tuna mac. And we've already cleaned our surface, we've already cleaned our counter and washed our hands, and so we're ready to get started tonight making cheesy tuna mac.
That sounds good. So the first thing that we need for cheesy tuna mac is an individual serving of macaroni and cheese. So we've already followed the directions on the side of the package, and I warmed it up in the microwave for 3.5 minutes. So now we get to do the fun part.
We get to add the cheese into the cheesy mac and cheese.
All right. And be careful as you do this because it's easy to make a big mess. So just pour that right into the macaroni and cheese.
We're gonna stir it with a spoon.
And to get it mixed up really well.
You try to do this very carefully so you don't make a big mess.
While he's stirring the macaroni and cheese, I'll go ahead and grab the next ingredient, and it's some vegetables. So you can use whatever vegetable sounds yummy to you. Tonight we're going to use mushrooms. So all you need is just a couple of tablespoons of mushrooms. And you just want to add that in your bowl.
Then the next thing that we're going to add into our recipe is the tuna. And it's already been drained. We used a can opener, just a handheld can opener to open it up. Be careful when you do that, just so you don't cut your hand on the lid. But we done opened it up and drained it, and so now we're just going to add it into our bowl.
Just pour it right in there and mix it in with your mushrooms. And then you get to add the yummy mac and cheese.
This is the good part. Mac and cheese. Everybody loves mac and cheese. So you add the macaroni and cheese in.
So as you can see it right there, there's a couple layers. You've got your tuna and mushrooms, and then your mac and cheese. So you just want to mix that up lightly. You don't want to mix it up too much, but just lightly mix it up. And then we're going to add just a little bit of milk to it. So we're going to put a little bit of milk in it. And we're going to mix it just a little bit more. I'm going to put it in the microwave for 20 seconds. And our easy cheesy mac will be ready to eat. And now we've got cheesy tuna mac ready to eat.
All right, hopefully you enjoy.
Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more episodes of Cooking with the Community.
Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Howard and I'm one of the 4-H agents here in Nelson County, and today I wanted to share an ag fact with you about livestock. So sheep, goats, and cattle actually have 4 stomachs. They're called a ruminant animal. And so as you can see, there's some cows grazing on pasture behind me, eating some grass. So those 4 stomachs help them to digest that grass a lot better than kind of a setup like ours with 1 stomach does.
Hello, I'm Vicki Burke. I'm with the Bardstown City Schools Family Resource and Youth Services Center, and I am here today to help pass out Friday food bags. We are trying to ensure that every student has plenty to eat during the weekend.